everyone, welcome back to the Schmitty 750 YouTube channel. On a previous video I had a request to put some bullets on paper with this Summit Precision carbon fiber bull barrel. Ended up putting a OD green Hogue over molded rubberized stock, so it's got this kind of like rubber material on it, kind of grippy, feels nice. And it is just a regular 1022 with a little Vortex Diamondback 3x9 power scope, and we'll put it on this little lead sled, so hopefully it'll be as accurate as possible. And we'll start out at 50 yards. I don't know where you're supposed to shoot at with a 22, if it's 50 yards or 25 yards or wherever. So we'll do 50 and 25 yards. And I have some Norma USA Tac-22 22 rounds, and that's pretty much the only one that I have that is not just like an assorted box of bullets. So maybe that'll be the best I can do is like a constant for one type of ammo. I do have this sweet table that the lead sled is on. Tried my best handyman built this for me and gave it to me, and so we're gonna put it to good use today, and we'll see how this thing shoots. We're gonna use this little target and just see how these rounds will group. So this will be the second grouping of 3 rounds. Get this guy lined up and see how these go. Oh wow, that is pretty damn good. 50 yards with a 22. So it looks like this one, and then I got 2 right here. Those are all 50 right there, 50 yards. So minus that flyer, that is actually really good. That's a lot more impressive than I thought it would be with a 22. I don't know if these Tac-22 rounds are any good or not, but they are definitely shooting very, very accurately. Well, I went to pick up the TV, and then there was this guy. He looks upset. Yeah, he is definitely not a happy camper. Oh shit. Okay, so now we'll try 2 more groups of 3 with the Norma USA Tac-22. And this will be at 25 yards. Yeah, so can't complain about that at 25 yards. right, so group number 2, we're gonna put at the outermost upper part of the ring. So this is what we were going for. Outer upper ring. And that is pretty damn good. Well, so there you have it. The Summit Precision carbon fiber bull barrel with the OD green Hogue overmolded rubberized stock. That's a tongue twister. All on a 10-22 with a Vortex scope. And we were using Norma USA Tac-22, 22 rounds. And I gotta say, that was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be, and a lot more accurate than the factory 10-22. And just for the YouTube monetizing guys, whatever you're called, this gun has not been modified in any way. It's not automatic. It's a controlled environment and all the other good stuff to follow all the rules to get monetized, because you didn't monetize my last video, even though there are no modifications to the gun. Thank you for watching, and bye.